Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm explaining the final part of the chain stitches using beading method. So in this part I'm notching at the beginning, tying my knots 2 to 3 times. Like I do tell my students, you have to notch at that particular spot 2 to 3 times, so you won't have any issues with your bead falling out except your bead cut out. So in this part I'm just doing my notching here. So after doing that, I start with the beading by picking 2 to 3 beads to, then I continue to place it in the thread, just like as you are watching here. Go down, pick your thread and pass it into the next loop. The thread showing at the top is called loop. So I pick up my loop, pick 3 beads with it, pick another loop beneath. You can see I pass it directly into the loop at the top that has 3 beads. So I'm picking up another beads again to do the same thing, to continue repeating the same thing until I'm ready to notch again at wherever I stop. This part I'll be notching because I'm ending it at that spot. So I'll be notching 2 to 3 times just like I did at the beginning. You can see, just like knitting, crocheting, tambour beading, that is just the way it is. Tambour beading or Luneva embroidery is called. It's just like how we crochet on fabric, but this time using beads and on a tambour frame. Here I'm passing the thread I cut out down to the back because I don't want it at the top while I walk. There it is. So I move to the next beading to finalize how we are going to end this part of part 1 that we are, so we can move to the next beadwork to do, which I'll be using sequins. I cross over with just a stitch, then I pick more beads again. Continue the same way till you fill it up. Tambour beading is, as in, when you do it often, you get caught up into it. Like, I just want to see the end product of this beadwork I'm doing. I really want to see the end result, that I can create this masterpiece myself. You know, like you already sketch out the design you want, or maybe you have an inspiration picture inspo. So you just, let me try and do this same thing. And there, you got it. The excitement from even getting a piece and you could paste it on your fabric, the excitement is enough to ginger you to want to learn more techniques of tambour beading. So I removed that part because it's obstructing me, so I'll just notch it at that corner and cut it off. Just like that, you're done with it. Please show me your designs in case you pick a practice, like copy this one I'm doing, and you can send me a message on WhatsApp. My numbers are below on the screen there, and just do it and let me hear the result. Thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.